Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello Dr. Pan, I'm Greg. I came here to learn about Projected Capacitive Touch Screen.
Hello, Greg. Projected Capacitive Touch Screen is kind of like digital matrix, resistive touch screen. The X and Y electrodes are intersecting in matrix. It is going to need one or two dedicated design and etch ITO layers to achieve the touch function. When a finger comes close to the surface of projected capacitive touch screen, it will absorb some electricity from the near insulated ITO grids, and the electrostatic capacitance will change according to distance from the finger. The controller can detect the touch point as it can calculate the variations of capacitance through the X and Y electrodes. There are three types of structure in projected capacitive technology. The first one-sheet, one ITO piled-up structure has X and Y electrodes piled on one sheet. Check the structure. Advantage: low cost, high transmittance, and high pass rate. Disadvantage: poor anti-interference ability. The second one-sheet, two ITO laminated structure consists of two ITO laminated each other with X and Y electrodes in between. Check the structures. Advantage: good performance, strong anti-static ability. Disadvantage: easy to be interfered. The two above structures are self-capacitors. They are simple, low cost, low power consumption, but easy to be interfered, only suitable for small sizes. The third type is two-sheet, two ITO laminated structure. It is mutual capacitor and consists of two sheets with X and Y electrodes, respectively. Check the structures. Advantage: good performance, high pass rate, strong anti-interfered, suitable for all sizes. Disadvantage: complicated, high power consumption, and high cost.
Dr. Pan, I heard people say that Projected Capacitive Screen is replacing surface capacitor screen. Is it true?
Absolutely. There are three reasons. Number one, it can support multi-touch and support a lot of gestures. Tap and drag, rotate, draw, and zoom. Number two, it is more reliable and adaptable under high and low temperature and high humidity conditions. Number three, the sensitivity can be adjusted to high level. It can be operated with pen writing and gloved fingers over a cover glass or a cover plastic sheet.
Thank you Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any questions.